Great care was put into the design of your dashboard. Every section has one purpose: to make the dispute process easy. With a few clicks of your mouse or taps on your smartphone, the brilliant software works in the background to guide you through each step. The dashboard always lets you know where you are in the process. This is a desktop view. Mobile view looks a little different, but it functions the same. At the top, you'll see the 40-day countdown timer. This lets you know when the DIY software will automatically link to your credit report provider and bring in your new 3-bureau credit report to show you the results of your dispute letters. Below are your Vantage 3.0 credit scores from your credit report provider, along with the date of the credit report at the bottom. Next is your dispute plan. It lets you know what actions need to be done and when it needs to be done by. Scrolling down a little, we'll see the credit report provider. This is your 3-bureau subscription account. The status is active, which means your credit monitoring account has a successful link to your DIY software. The next 3-bureau update is on this date, which is 40 days from today, as we saw on the countdown timer at the top of the page. To manage your subscription, click the arrow to be taken to the account details. Here are your credit items separated by credit bureau: TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Positive credit accounts are at the top, with negative accounts at the bottom. Between is the status of the accounts you're disputing, and these will update every 40 days as you go through the dispute process. When accounts are repaired or deleted, they will show up here. Let's go back to the top of the home page and finish up with the navigation buttons. On desktop, you'll see Home, Credit Items, Dispute Letters, My History, and Tutorials all at the top of the dashboard. On your mobile device, tap the menu here and you'll see the options line up vertically. Let's select Credit Items. Credit Items is where you'll find the details on all of your accounts separated by credit bureau. Right now we're on TransUnion. Click or tap here for Experian, and then Equifax. Here you can filter your accounts by positive, negative, deleted, or repaired. As I scroll through the accounts, you'll notice accounts that contain negative information are red, and accounts that are positive and contain no negative information are in green. Dispute Letters is where all of your current and past dispute letters will be stored. There's nothing here yet because we haven't created any letters. That's going to change in the next video when we create our round 1 dispute letters. My History. At the top are your current scores, and below is a graph that will track your score movement every time a new credit report is added. Below, where it says Reports, is a copy of your credit report for your records. It shows the date the credit report came in and your scores. You can click View to download your full credit report. Lastly is the tutorial section, where you'll find step-by-step demonstration videos like this one. Just about every question you could think of is answered in these videos, so please use this valuable resource. That's it for the dashboard. Let's go to Quick Start Video 3 and we'll create our round 1 dispute letters.